Welcome back to World Car. Please like, share and subscribe. The BMW iX3 is an all-electric SUV that blends luxury, performance, and sustainability. It is based on the BMW iX3 platform but features an electric powertrain, making it an appealing option for those looking to transition into electric mobility without sacrificing the premium feel of a BMW. The iX3 comes with a sleek, modern design that closely resembles its combustion engine counterpart, ensuring it remains familiar to BMW enthusiasts while incorporating subtle design elements that distinguish it as an EV. The vehicle is powered by a single electric motor mounted on the rear axle, producing around 282 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. This setup allows the iX3 to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in approximately 6.8 seconds. The motor is paired with an 80 kWh battery pack, which provides an estimated range of around 460 km WLTP, making it a practical choice for long drives without frequent charging stops. BMW has equipped the iX3 with its latest generation eDrive technology, which improves energy efficiency and enhances driving dynamics. The vehicle supports fast charging up to 150 kilowatts, allowing the battery to be recharged from 10% to 80% in around 34 minutes. Additionally, regenerative braking helps optimize energy recovery, extending the driving range. Inside the iX3, the cabin exudes luxury with high-quality materials, ambient lighting, and a driver-focused cockpit. The infotainment system features BMW's iDrive 7.0, which includes a large touchscreen display, voice commands, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time information on driving data, navigation, and battery status. Comfort features include heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a premium sound system, making every journey enjoyable. The iX3 is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and parking assist. BMW's intelligent driving technology ensures a safer and more convenient driving experience. The iX3 also includes a heat pump system that enhances energy efficiency by using waste heat from the drivetrain to warm the cabin, reducing reliance on battery power for climate control. Handling in the iX3 remains sharp and responsive, thanks to its low center of gravity and well-tuned suspension. Unlike some electric SUVs that prioritize comfort over agility, the iX3 maintains BMW's characteristic driving dynamics. Steering is precise, and the weight distribution contributes to stability, making it enjoyable to drive even on winding roads. One of the key highlights of the iX3 is its practicality. The absence of an engine up front provides more interior space, and the trunk offers ample storage capacity for everyday needs. The rear seats can be folded down to create additional cargo space, making it suitable for family trips or carrying larger items. While the iX3 competes with other electric SUVs like the Tesla Model Y, Audi Q4 e-tron, and Mercedes-Benz EQC, it stands out with its balanced approach to luxury, performance, and efficiency. It may not be the fastest EV in its class, but it offers a refined driving experience with BM's signature build quality. The iX3 is an excellent choice for those who want an electric SUV that feels familiar yet modern, combining sustainability with everyday usability.